Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best hoverboard carts that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. HoovyKart Hoverboard Cart. Lastly, we have this reliable scooter that can be both safe and fun for your kid at a go. With the ability to have more control of it, this will be safe for you. Additionally, it can be used by kids due to the lesser risks of injuries. For assembly, you will be ready to use it within 2 minutes. Another great thing is the great acceleration, brake and turn with ease. From your seated position you will have great control of your cart. Furthermore, it features a lumbar rest that will give you maximum comfort. Still, on comfort, the seat and the pedals will make it extra comfortable. Finally, the cart is backed by a 100% guarantee of a full refund if not satisfied with the quality. At number 4. Hiboy Hoverboard Seat Attachment Accessory. With the HCO2 Hoverboard Seat Attachment Accessory, you should be able to ride your hoverboard while sitting down instead of standing. The accessory will work with most two-wheel self-balancing scooters that come with 6.5, 8 or 10-inch wheels. The seat accessory is lightweight but can tolerate heavy users up to 220 pounds, regular users, and impact quite well. And thanks to the nice padding and ergonomic design, the user is less prone to aches, shocks, vibration or discomfort. You can also adjust it depending on individual preference or kind of user. Works with both kids and adults. At number 3. Hoverboard Gocart Accessories by KKA. Fit this accessory to your hoverboard and enjoy the ride while seating down. Made for 6.5, 8 and 10-inch self-balancing scooters, this accessory fits nicely for best comfort and experience. It has a small design to maximize the available space. Nevertheless, despite its smallness, it can handle heavy users quite well. And the credit is given to the lightweight but sturdy carbon steel metal frame and seat. For extra safety, it comes with a heavy-duty polyester strap to harness the user. The aluminum clamps together with the straps allow the user it adjusts the length according to individual liking and size or weight. The blue color should look okay with most hoverboard and users, boys or girls. At number 2. Hiboy HCO1 Seat Attachment. You can turn your normal self-balancing scooter into a hoverboard cart easy and cost-effectively. All you need is attaching this seat accessory and frame to the unit. It works with most units that feature 6.5, 80 or 10-inch units. The process is fairly straightforward due to the simple design, few mounting points, and the included instructions. Once done, you get a sturdy and well-balanced unit that should be capable of handling up to 220 pounds of weight. The adjustable seat can comfortably handle kids, teens, as well as adults. It's also ergonomic to provide maximum safety and comfort. And finally at number 1. Pilon Cool Mini-Kart Hoverboard. Lead a fantastic life with this hoverboard. With this, you will have plenty of fun throughout. Either while sitting or standing, the cart can be great in both occasions. The able steering wheel will make riding it not only easy but also safe. On the other hand, the scooter is height adjustable so it will fit most of the sizes from the kids to the adults. Moreover, balancing will be easy as just the same way assembling is. For weight capacity, it can support up to 250 pounds and can be great for use. Hurry and grab yours while this great cart up for grabs. Finally, a full refund is given after 30 days in the event you aren't satisfied with the product. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.